Hey everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here planning in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner for the week of October 7th through 13th, and I'm using stickers from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. This is from her luxury advent calendar last year, and it's a great advent calendar because it's a 5x7 sticker sheet every month, and I love the theme of it. For me though, like this, while it's beautiful, her artwork is fantastic, it's too big for what I like to use it for, so I'm going to end up putting this big sticker sheet in my daily pages and then use the rest as decor for here. So let's get started. I think I'm actually going to pull out alcohol ink from According to Allie. Here we go, because we have some spooky ink that would work perfectly well with this. So how do I want to do this? Do I want to put like one big one down there, or like cut them maybe? Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut that one. Always forget the scissors. Let's cut that one. Perfect. Thing is, I'm not normally like a Halloween type of person. I love being able to, you know, decorate in these colors, the purple and the black and the orange, are not colors I normally go for, but it's so cool to be able to go outside of my comfort zone and try something new. Although this is freaking me out a little bit. I am not a horror movie person. I scare myself very, very easily to the point where like my imagination just goes nuts. I cannot do horror movies at all. There we go. And then I'll place one of these along here with a candle. Oh, that's pretty. Then I'll place another one of these along the top, and then I can use the other two for other spreads in my daily journal. But yeah, we're in the last quarter of the year. I have pretty much everything that I need for my planners for 2025. No, I haven't revealed my lineup yet, and I'm debating when to reveal the lineup, whether it's just a lineup video or if I'm going to reveal the lineup when I set it up. Wow, that's not straight. That's okay. But we'll see. I'm going to leave some of these. Let's see. Put that here with a smaller flower, I don't want to go overboard here. Then I'll put this one on this side with this one here, and then this tiny one here, and then I can leave the rest for oh, I'm totally off camera. Leave the rest for my daily journal. So back in frame. Okay. So the pens I'm going to be using are my Heinz Pen Co. This is Champagne at Midnight, and it has Teranishi Nostalgic Honey in here. So I'm going to keep track of my sleep score. Like, that is the perfect shade. And my sleep score actually hasn't been doing too badly, but it also helps that my husband has been sleeping better. He now has a CPAP machine, which is helping him sleep better, which in turn helps me sleep better. Then the other pen that I'm using is my Leonardo Momento Zero in Andromeda. This has Birmingham Pen Co. Brown Turkey Fig Twinkle. And I'm going to try and start doing weights again this week, because now I have realized, or my physiotherapist and I have realized, that I do not actually have tennis elbow. It was a tightness in my neck, with the tightness in the muscles there, which presented as tennis elbow, but I do not have tennis elbow. Thank you very much. I'm going to just check something on my pen here. All right, so let's write down my work schedule this week. Now, this pen and ink combination has proven to be a little problematic for me. It doesn't always work the way that I want it to, unfortunately. It's a lovely ink, but it seems to clog everything that I'm using, and I cannot find my brass shim at the, oh, there it is. So where is an extra piece of, I'm just gonna do it on the back of this here and run the brass shim through there. Yeah, it looks like there was some stuck there. Yeah, better. Love these brass shims. Okay, then there we go. And then making sure that I am putting down my blotting paper, because I am known for smudging and getting ink on myself. As you can see, I already have some ink on my hand from when I did my currently inked video. My phone cut me off there. Last week, last Thursday was my graduation day from training. I have been at my new job for over 3 months now, and the training is so thorough. I really like it, but now I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm out of training. Now I'm in the real world. What is happening? But I'm so glad that I've had as much training as I've had. So then now I'm going into each day adding in my to-do list. I'm not working on orders. Oh, meal plan. Order groceries. Then Tuesday, my husband will put out the garbage bins in the evening. Now, I think I have physiotherapy on the 9th, and there was a reason why I did not book it for the Thursday, the 10th, and I cannot remember why for the life of me right now, why I did not book it for the 10th. Where are my tweezers? I'm trying to think now why I didn't book it for the Thursday, because I normally want to book it on a Thursday, but we'll see. So put out garbage. And Wednesday, yeah, I'm double checking. So yeah, it's Wednesday, October 9th, 6:15. I have physio. Now, I don't have an appropriate, like, how would you classify physio? Oh, but anyway, I have, where is it? Oh, I just saw it. We also have our cleaner coming in on Wednesday. Whoa, I just dropped all of my icons everywhere. Oh, now my phone is ringing. Okay, what was I doing? Trying to say that the cleaner is coming. But then I also have my physio. How do I want to keep track of that? I mean, I could go through all these stickers, but that would take ages. I found a quick icon here. Come on. This is from Planner Monkey Cove from, I think, last year. And I'm trying to use the freebies that I have in my collection. So 6:15. Physio. Okay, let's clean this up. Okay, Thursday I have Weight Watchers, and then Rob picks up the groceries. Where's the scale? Okay, perfect. So putting that down there. And so 5:30? 5:30. It's not like I've been going there for the past few months. It's supposed to, never mind. I am so on the ball. So on the ball. Okay, and then little grocery bag. Oh yay, another sticker sheet finished. Oops, this one did not cut as well. This was an oops sheet, so I kept that one. And then my husband picks up the groceries. And then I don't think there's anything really that needs, or that I know of happening this next week. Actually, this weekend is Thanksgiving weekend in Canada, but our usual, I say, arrangements where we have Thanksgiving dinner at my sister's house, we have to actually postpone it because one of my family members is out of town, and then another weekend, actually next weekend, I'm out of town, and so is my brother, and then so we've had to reschedule it for a couple of weeks from now, which is fine. So then the only thing that is happening that day, and I already put that sticker away. Why did I put that sticker away? Is Ninja and badminton. I don't think there's anything happening on the 12th that I know of. Nope. Yay, we can use the orange Ninja. And here we go. So Henry. And then Robin. I have to give amazing props to parents who have their kids in so many extracurricular activities, because right now my children are in one each and they're at the exact same time, and my husband is amazing with driving them to those, so kudos. All right, very simple, very open. I think what's happening as well with my weekly spreads is that I am keeping it simple because, spoiler alert, this is changing in 2025. So part of my mindset is also changing with it to wanting to simplify everything. All right, but that is it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.